What do you think of right away when you're given the keyword agriculture? In a split second, Google gives us more than 300 million results relating to mass paddy fields, herds of cattle, the farmland, hardworking farmers. More recent and modern images include tractors, plowing machines, pesticide spraying, drones, etc. However, breakthroughs and technologies in agriculture are happening at an unprecedented rate. The real level of development that human beings are approaching nowadays is the ability to edit plants and animals' genes and create transgenic species to enhance quality, increase production, decrease livestock diseases, and ensure food security. The very first episode of the InnovaTalk series by VinFuture, let's dive into the magical world of genes and DNA in livestock to understand their mind-blowing power in reshaping high-tech agriculture. The webinar will be chaired by Professor Ermias Kebria, member of the VinFuture Prize Pre-Screening Committee, Associate Dean of the College of Agriculture and Environmental Sciences, and Director of the World Food Center, as well as Professor and Cessnon Endowed Chair of the University of California, Davis. He has conducted extensive research in developing strategies for using feed additives to reduce methane emissions from livestock. The main part of the conversation will focus on the research and technology of the distinguished speaker, Professor James Murray, former chair of the UC Davis Animal Science Department, as well as professor in the School of Veterinary Medicine. He founded the Transgenic Animal Research Conference, an international meeting dedicated to the production and use of transgenic and gene-edited livestock. Professor James Murray has successfully introduced the human gene into the goat genome to produce higher levels of lysosome in goat's milk. The milk produced by these transgenic goats could one day be used to help prevent deadly diarrhea in weaned children of the developing world. Let's start the story of transgenics.